Let's go through the answers to these real quick. Shouldn't be too bad, except for a couple of those we talked about earlier with the weird asymptotes. All right, number 22, we did already a little bit. If you look at the left and the right, they both go to positive infinity. 23 though, as I go all the way to the left, that goes all the way up, so that's going to go to positive infinity, but when I go all the way to the right, it's going down, so that's negative infinity. All right. Those two are pretty straightforward. Then 24 and 25. Life gets a little more challenging, mainly because there's asymptotes that they don't really put in here. But for this one, if I go all the way to the left, going all the way down, so that's going to be negative infinity. Here, if I go all the way to the right, that's going up, so that's going to be positive infinity. This one here, really there's that line at -4. Okay. It's not easy to tell graphically, but algebraically I can tell you real quick that it's at -4. So when I go all the way to the left, the y value is approaching that dashed line, which is at -4. When I go all the way to the right, that thing is also going to approach that wall at a y value of -4. (26), almost the same thing as 24. As I go all the way to the left, that's going down. That's also going to go to negative infinity. When I go all the way to the right, that's going up. So that goes to positive infinity. This one on 27, the asymptotes are really at the x-axis, so the wall is right there, at a y value of 0. So when I go all the way to the left, this thing is going to not go all the way up, it's going to have to hit that wall, which is at a y value of 0. Same thing over here, as it goes all the way to the right, it's just getting closer and closer and closer to that wall at a y value of 0. And then the last two. Before we're out here, we got to go fast. This one, what did I say, was at 7? Doesn't look like it, but it's at 7. So when I go all the way to the left, my y value is going to approach 7. When I go all the way to the right, my y value is going to approach 7. And over here, it's at -2. So -2 is there. So I'm going to go all the way to the left. Y value -2, all the way to the right. Y value -2. Okay? Make sure you snapshot and upload it just for the heck of it. And turn it in. See you Thursday. Tomorrow, big lesson on increasing, decreasing.